Today we have discussed the CBSE class 10 pair of linear equation in two variables. Now in this chapter basically you have to learn that if there is a two variable linear equation, that is x is one of the variable and y is another the variable, and over x is one of the variable, y is another the variable. Now two equations are there. This is the equation 1, this is the equation 2. Now a1, b1, c1 are the coefficient of the linear equation. Now if these things are there, then basically what this is? They are straight line. They are straight line. Clear? That's mean they are straight line. Now if the straight line, two straight lines are there, now what are the condition? We have to see that. हम लोग क्या कंडीशन करेंगे कि दोनों जो स्ट्रेट लाइन उसका कैरेक्टर कैसे होगा. Now first one we see that if the ratio of the coefficient a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 अगर इक्वल होता है तीनों, देन हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं इसको? कोइंसिडेंट. मतलब एक जो लाइन है, दिस इज वन ऑफ द लाइन, उसके ऊपर और एक लाइन बैठ गया. दिस इज कॉल्ड कोइंसिडेंट. इसको और टर्म में क्या बोलते हैं? इनफाइनाइट मेनी सॉल्यूशन, और वी कॉल्ड इट मेनी सॉल्यूशन. इज दिस क्लियर? फर्स्ट वन थिंग. अब तीनों अगर इक्वल होता है तो देन अगर सेकेंड थिंग इज दैट if c1 by c2 is not is equal to a1 by a2 and b1 by b2, this is parallel line. That means एक लाइन हो गया मेरा ऐसा और ये लाइन हो गया मेरा ऐसा. Now one line is this, one line is this. ये दोनों तो मेरा हो गया. Now these two things are happened. Now whatever may be the c, if a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2, we call this intersecting line, or exactly one solution, or unique solution. Now what is this? Now this line is Is it clear? Now this is the point of intersection. This one is point of intersection. तो मेरा तीन लाइन का तीन जो अगर if you give that three equations, two equations, अगर हम लोग ऐसे निकाल सकते हैं तो that is we have basically in this chapter question number 2 and 3 is giving that coincident, infinite many solution, या तो they have given that parallel line or the no solution, intersecting line or the exactly one solution. Now just write down the notes, so easily we can solve each and every problem of this chapter. Now write down these things. Now question number, we have started the question number. Exercise 3.2 class 10 CBSE NCERT. Clear? Now if we take that question number 2, 3. Two equations is given, 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0, and second one is 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Now what we will do? We will simply written that 6 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 1 is equal to 10 by 9. Now what happened? This is 3 by 1, this is 3 by 1, this is 10 by 9. Now this is 3 by 1, 3 by 1, and this is not is equal to, this is not is equal to the ratio. So now a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not is equal to c1 by c2. Then what condition is that? Now this is the condition number 2. This one. This is what they have given. Find whether the line representing the following pair of linear equation intersect at a point. No. The answer, what we answer given? Answer 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0, and 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0 are parallel lines. Simply on these things. Now if we take the question number 2, if we take the question number 2, clear? Question number 2. This is given 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. Now what we write that? 9 by 18 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 12 by 24. Now what happened? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Now which condition is defined? That a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. अगर 3a है, that is what they have given, coincident, then answer is 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. 18x plus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0 are coincident. Clear? Now if we take The question number 1. They are given 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. That is 5 by 7 is equal to minus 4 by 6, 8 by minus 9. Now what is this? 5 by 7 is equal to minus 1 by minus 2 by 3, and that is 8 by minus 9. Now what happened that a1 by a2 not is equal to b1 by b2. These are the conditions. This is the third number of conditions is there. So what is how we write that? This is intersecting line. So therefore answer 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0 are is intersecting lines. Clear for that? Now if you go to the question number 3. Question number 3. Same thing. Question number 3. Now when comparing these things, now question number 3, 5, that is first equation is 4 by 3x plus 2y is equal to 8, and then 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Now this is not in the system of a1x plus b1y plus c is equal to 0. We have to do that. What will do that? 3, that is 4x plus 6y is equal to 8. Now this is 4x plus 6y is equal to 24. Taking 2 common, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 12. Now these two equations are same. 2x plus 3y is equal to 12, and this equation is, so what is happened? Now both are all equal. Now how we write that? Minus 12 is equal to 0. Minus 12 is equal to 0. Now 2 by 2 is equal to 3 by 3 is equal to minus 12 by minus 12. This is all are 1 by 1, 1 by 1, 1 by 1. So how these things are going on? That is a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Now if this happened, this is what they are called that linear the following equations are consistent or inconsistent. Consistence or inconsistence. Now what is the consistence and inconsistence? the term is there is consistence and inconsistence. So which portion is called inconsistence? So we have to know that the terms. What is consistence and inconsistence? Or this is called consistence. Means the pair of equation has unique solution. Means the pair of equation has a unique solution is called consistence. Clear? This is very much important thing. So this line is inconsistent. Have you cleared that? What is consistent and inconsistent? So do the question number 2 and 3 properly, exercise 3.2. In the next class we go through the question number 4, 5 and 6 and 7. Thank you for the day. Thank you. The pair of equation has a unique solution. Equation of infinitely many solution, it's called dependent, but is a consistent. Consistent pair of. So both 1 and 2, both 1 and 3 are consistent. Is this clear? Otherwise, the parallel line is inconsistent. Do all the math carefully. Thank you for a day.